LD1 Gen 2 modular armor turning ATVs into combat machines. Today's lineup kicks off with something truly extreme. The LD1 Gen 2 modular armor transforms a regular ATV into a rugged, combat-ready machine. This isn't just for the military. Police forces, private security teams, and specialized units can all benefit from this upgrade. The armor is strong enough to withstand fire from a 7.62 5.1 NATO round, while still allowing the ATV to remain fast and agile off-road. Whether it's patrolling dangerous areas or transporting injured personnel, this system proves that ATVs can be much more than just recreational vehicles. Water Tracks pontoon system. Turn your ATV into a boat. What if your ATV could float? With the Water Tracks pontoon system, it actually can. This setup allows your vehicle to glide across water with a safe working load of 748 kg, leaving plenty of capacity for gear and even a small outboard motor. When not in use, the pontoons fold up and can be carried on the ATV itself. Even better, installation takes just about 30 minutes with no tools required. Priced at $10,000. It's a game changer for adventurers who want to explore both land and water without limits. Co-Pilot Precision Drilling made easy. The Co-Pilot tool is designed to make drilling more accurate than ever. Its user-friendly design includes integrated LED lighting with adjustable brightness, helping you see clearly in dimly lit spaces. It's compatible with any standard drill, which means you don't need to invest in specialized equipment. This tool improves precision, reduces errors, and is especially useful for carpenters, dyers, and installers who demand consistent results on every job. Dremel Blueprint DD12V, all-in-one precision tool. The Dremel Blueprint DD12V is a versatile multi-tool that combines a drill, stud finder, and detachable laser level in a single, compact device. This makes it perfect for a variety of household and professional tasks, from mounting TVs to updating kitchen cabinets. Its portability and multifunctional design save both time and space in your toolbox. Priced at $100, the Blueprint DD1V is a practical solution for anyone looking to simplify their home improvement or renovation projects. Gale 18V160C Professional Turbocharger for fast charging. The Gale 18V16C Professional Turbocharger is built specifically for ATV battery-powered tools. This charger boosts your tool's power 70% faster than standard chargers, and its power boost mode can take a battery to 50% charge in record time. On busy job sites where every minute counts, this charger keeps your tools ready for action. Its compact design ensures portability, and it's priced at $119, making it a smart investment for professionals who rely on efficiency. Gaff Gun, Efficient Cable Management. The Gaff Gun is a highly efficient cable management tool. With one smooth motion, it tapes down wires securely, simplifying what can otherwise be a tedious task. Its sturdy construction is built to handle tough working conditions, ensuring longevity even on demanding job sites. Prices range from $199 to $249 depending on the model, offering a reliable solution for electricians, installers, and anyone working with wiring in both residential and commercial environments. Metabo Tracker, never lose your tools again. The Metabo Tracker is a smart tool tracking device that leverages the Apple Find My network to keep tabs on your equipment. Ideal for builders and contractors who often misplace tools on busy job sites. This tracker ensures you always know the exact location of your valuable gear. Compact and easy to attach, it offers peace of mind and reduces downtime caused by lost or misplaced tools. Its pricing makes it a worthy investment for any professional who wants to maintain organization and efficiency on site. Fantic NB8 Flip, Portable Mini Sprayer. The Fantic NB8 Flip is a compact, portable sprayer that features a foldable handle and cordless operation, making it perfect for quick outdoor or indoor spraying tasks. Its 2.5 amp lithium battery delivers up to 30 minutes of runtime, producing a consistent 1.2 bar of pressure and a flow of 2.5 liters of water per minute. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, this mini sprayer is ideal for gardening, cleaning, or light washing tasks. Available for $100, it combines convenience and efficiency in one handy package. Altara Arcadia 4P. The Altara Arcadia 4P proves that versatility doesn't have to come at a premium price. At $249, this modular tent features 2 canopies and offers 6 different setup modes. One of its most practical features is the ability to connect the vestibule directly to your vehicle's trunk or rear door, effectively turning your car into part of your campsite. It's ideal for road trippers who want protection from rain while maintaining quick access to gear stored in the vehicle. Camp Sarika by Amangiri. Camp Sarika by Amangiri, part of the ultra-luxury Amangiri resort, is often described as the most expensive glamping experience on Earth. Located in the remote Utah desert, this tented camp delivers full 5-star comfort, private plunge pools, spacious living areas, fireplaces on outdoor terraces, and panoramic canyon views. A one-week stay can cost around 35,000, placing it firmly in the elite travel category. But while it sets the gold standard for desert luxury, not everyone has that budget, which is why high-end camping alternatives are becoming more popular than ever. QD inflatable tent and furniture setup. For campers who want space without sacrificing comfort, the QD-17 Too Familiar is a standout option. Designed to sleep up to 10 people, this inflatable structure is built for early spring through late fall adventures and costs around $2,115. Instead of traditional poles, air beams provide structure, making setup far simpler. To complete the setup, QD also offers inflatable furniture, including a full-length sofa with a built-in pump priced at $222, and a heavy-duty air mattress supporting up to 310 kg for $198. Powering everything is the smart CQ100, a wireless pump that not only inflates and deflates gear, but also checks internal pressure every 20 minutes and automatically tops it up if needed. It sells for $234, bringing smart home convenience into the wild. EcoFlow Power Hat. The EcoFlow Power Hat, created by EcoFlow, is one of the most unusual yet practical campsite gadgets. Built with flexible solar panels integrated into its wide brim, the hat can generate around 12 watts of power under direct sunlight. That's enough to charge smartphones, action cameras, or small devices via built-in USB ports. Priced at $116, it combines sun protection with renewable energy, making it surprisingly useful for hikers and off-grid campers who want lightweight charging without carrying extra panels. Packfire Smokeless Fire Pit. The Packfire is designed for campers who want a clean, efficient flame without thick smoke. Compact enough to fit inside a backpack, it assembles without tools and creates a high-temperature burn that reduces ash and lingering odors. Selling for $359. It's perfect for campsites with strict fire rules, or for anyone who doesn't want their clothes smelling like smoke the next morning. It's a modern twist on the traditional campfire experience. Spectre Hammock System. For those who prefer sleeping off the ground, the Spectre Hammock offers an innovative solution. Unlike standard hammocks, it includes a built-in mattress, making it comfortable even for side sleepers. The system also comes with a protective rainfly and bug net, ensuring weather resistance and insect protection. Priced at $479, it combines the lightness of hammock camping with the comfort closer to a traditional mattress, a smart compromise between minimalism and luxury. Temporary Wall Systems. Temporary Wall Systems has developed a highly versatile solution designed to create temporary barriers in different environments. While these walls are commonly used on construction sites to separate work areas, their usefulness goes far beyond that. For example, hospitals often use these barriers to isolate construction zones from medical areas so that renovation or repair work can continue without disturbing patients or medical staff. By providing a clean and secure separation, these walls help maintain safety and efficiency in sensitive environments where uninterrupted operations are essential. Another interesting application of temporary wall systems was demonstrated during a stadium project. In that case, the walls were used to build special corridors for soccer players. These corridors allowed athletes to move between different areas of the stadium without being constantly approached by fans asking for autographs or photos. This simple but effective solution helped players stay focused before matches, while also improving crowd management within the stadium. The company also offers customization options to meet different project needs. Clients can request additional features such as doors, windows, code locks, and ventilation systems. The durability of these walls comes from their 3-layer construction, which includes an aluminum front panel, a galvanized steel back panel, and a 38mm polyurethane core in the middle. This layered structure provides both strength and insulation, making the system reliable for a wide range of temporary construction and event environments.
Building with Click, screwless timber wall panels. Click Building Panels is an innovative construction system that allows houses to be assembled quickly with minimal tools and expertise. The panels are made from laminated timber, a strong and durable material widely used in modern sustainable construction. What makes the Click system unique is its screwless connection design. Instead of traditional fasteners, the panels interlock with specially designed joints that hold them securely in place. This design provides two major advantages. First, the panels can be attached to each other more securely than many traditional fastening systems. Second, they are extremely easy to install, meaning even people without professional construction experience can assemble them. According to the developers, 2 people can install about 100 square meters of panels in just 24 hours, using only simple tools like a hammer and a ladder. Because of this efficiency, using the Click system can reduce construction costs by around 20% compared with traditional building methods, making it both economical and environmentally friendly.
Quechua Apanaz Family 5-2. The Quechua Apanaz Family 5-2 is designed for family camping trips, accommodating up to 5 people. It has 2 sections, one for 2 people and another for 3, totaling 5 square meters of living space. The tent features an entrance with a mosquito net, 2 windows and internal pockets for small items. Its material blocks sunlight, is waterproof, and can withstand winds up to 50 km. The tent weighs 16 g, and the price is around 210, making it a practical option for family campers. Bamboo Lab H2D, high-tech 3D printing mini factory. The Bamboo Lab H2D is far more than a typical 3D printer. It functions like a compact manufacturing unit capable of producing not just prototypes, but fully finished products. From custom outfits and bike helmets to trendy sneakers, this machine opens the door to endless creative and commercial possibilities. It features 2 servo systems, 4 computer vision cameras, and 36 sensors working together through an intelligent algorithm that ensures precise and reliable printing. On top of that, it also supports laser cutting and engraving, giving creators the ability to design, customize, and manufacture a wide variety of items. For anyone dreaming of turning a garage into a high-tech mini workshop or launching a small product brand, the Bamboo Lab H2D offers a powerful start. The printer is priced at 205. Bulan Mas Fireball Machine, Precision Jewelry Bead Maker. The Bulan Mas Fireball Machine is designed for jewelers who want to produce perfectly shaped metal beads with professional precision. This 5-axis machine is especially effective for working with gold beads between 2 and 8 millimeters, allowing it to create smooth, uniform spheres used in high-end jewelry. Despite its advanced capabilities, the controls are straightforward, making it accessible even for small workshops or independent craftsmen. The machine is built for detailed work and consistent results, which is crucial in jewelry production, where accuracy and finish matter the most. Considering that the value of gold has increased dramatically over the decades, investing in a specialized tool like the Bulan Mas Fireball could help turn a garage jewelry setup into a profitable business. Tufting Gun. Start your own custom rug business. The tufting gun is a powerful yet easy-to-use tool designed for creating custom rugs quickly and efficiently. It works by punching through a rug backing and pulling yarn through the material, producing up to 40 stitches per second. This process forms the tufts that later become the soft pile of a finished rug. Because the gun maintains a consistent tuft height, it allows creators to produce professional-looking designs with smooth texture and even density. With the global carpet and rug market already worth over $55 billion and continuing to grow, a small garage rug workshop could become a profitable venture. The tufting gun itself costs only $158, making it one of the most affordable ways to enter the custom home decor market.